Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and remove widget on Android home screen. Alright guys, here I have opened my Android home screen, and first of all, we can tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen, and the screen will look like this. And since we want to add and remove widget, we can click on this widgets option, and here you can select a widget that you want to add to your Android home screen. There are a lot of widgets you can add, and for instance, I'm going to add battery widget, so I'm going to click on battery. Then I'm just going to add this widget. Okay, click on add, and as you can see that the widget has been added to my Android home screen. And if we want to remove this widget, the step is so simple. We just need to click and hold on the widget, then we can click on remove. Okay, and now the widget has been removed from my Android home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and remove widget on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.